Guess what this blog is about? Lumpia. What the
Today I'm going to show you how I make my signature dish, which is called lumpia. In the Philippines, they actually call it lumpia Shanghai, but here it's lumpia. That's all people know. And everywhere I go for parties and stuff, people like me to bring my signature dish, which is lumpia. Now this is, the Philippines has some kind of Chinese influence, so this is more like a Filipino Chinese twist of egg rolls. So I have here my ingredients. First, I have about 2 pounds of ground turkey. You can use ground pork, but I'd rather use ground turkey, it's healthier. And then I have 2 sticks of carrots, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 egg, about 4 stalks of green onions, and then about 5 cloves of garlic. Of course, the very special one that you're gonna wrap your lumpia with is this spring roll shells. Make sure you need to buy the spring roll sheets, not egg roll sheets, because the egg rolls are thicker. So with this lumpia, you need a thinner crust. Okay? Of course, your traditional salt and pepper to wrap everything together. Okay, so let's get started. So in there with your 2 pounds of turkey, I'm gonna have my carrots, green onion, garlic, oyster sauce, that's the secret. I'm making this today to bring it to a party, actually for tomorrow. And 1 egg. And a little salt and pepper, probably a tablespoon of salt. And about a tablespoon of pepper. Okay, so now we'll mix it up. Now if you notice, I did not use a lot of vegetable that has high water content because that would help to keep the lumpia crispier after you fry them. Okay, so looks like it's all mixed. Now I'm going to show you how to wrap this lumpia. It's really very easy. It just takes a little time, but it's easy. Okay, so this is your sheet. So you're going to separate your sheets. See how thin it is? The egg roll will be a lot thicker. Okay, so you put it on a diagonal like that. Take about a tablespoon or so. And then you're going to spread this like about the size of your finger. Okay? You don't want it too thick. And you don't want it too thin. You want it just about this much. Okay, so about the size of your finger. Too thick, then it might take long to fry. And okay, so now you fold one over. Pull it tight. Okay, roll once. Fold one end. Fold the other end. And you roll. Now voila! So 25 pieces of lumpia ready for frying, deep frying anyway.
lumpia, not just for breakfast anymore.
So today we're gonna fry the lumpia that I wrapped yesterday. So you can make these lumpia ahead of time, actually weeks ahead of time. And what you do after you wrap it, you just lay it on a sheet pan, freeze it for about a couple hours, and then store it in a freezer bag. And then whatever time you're ready and want some, you can just take it out and fry it. Okay, so now I have this oil that's heated up to 350 degrees, and what I'm gonna do is put this lumpia with this corner facing down so it doesn't unravel when you fry it. And there you go. And then you're gonna fry this until it's golden brown, and it's at medium to high heat, and I'll say about 4 minutes total. You'll see when it's golden brown, that's pretty much done, as long as the heat is not too high. Okay, so we're gonna fry a few batches of these. And this will be served with sweet and sour sauce, and it's easy to make. Basically, you just put all the ingredients together and let it simmer and serve it with that. Or you can just go to the store and get you a bottle of sweet and sour sauce. And some people prefer ketchup. There you have it. Last night, actually, I had some leftover meat, and my grandmother used to do when I was growing up is just roll it in like meatballs and then deep fry just like that up to a golden brown and crisp. Smells so good in here. Now we're gonna cut this in 3 pieces. Show you how you serve it. You can cut it in 4s if you like, but I like to cut it in 3rds. Okay, and then you just plate it. Smells good and crunchy. See? Whew. I'm ready to eat one. Might not make it to the party. Is it good?
It's delicious.
Yeah?
Yes, it's tomorrow's future food today.
Fresh made this morning.
Yes.
Heaven. More.
Okay, so now you gotta say something about what you're gonna eat.
No idea what it is, but it's really good.
Okay.
It's amazing. I'm from Tennessee, and it's amazing. Now you're from here.
You know what it's called? You know what it's called?
What's it called?
Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Yes.
Why's it called Lumpia?
That's the way it's called, lumpia. It's really spring rolls.
No. That's kind of what I
Lumpia.
thought it was. I figured something else. Yeah, no, they're delicious. I gotta know.
Filipino, I guess, Filipino, Chinese cuisine, whatever it is.
No, it's awesome. They're very good. You should be very happy, very pleased.
So, in the Philippines, this is start over.
Go ahead.
So now I'm ready to wrap the lumpia that
Janet is going to show you who asked. We delivered the secrets of lumpia. I didn't know what it was until I met Janet. She told me it wasn't a medical condition. Lumpia. What the
You can't say that!
I didn't tell you to put it on video.